This is Hill Happenings, our submission for the 2016 Congressional App Challenge. The app creates summaries of the Congressional Record and spits them out in a convenient, easy-to-read form. Government officials and the public can stay up to date with the federal government, helping to increase knowledge about the government and creating a more effective democracy.
The United States has a very low electoral participation rate, especially when compared to that of other developed countries. Part of this problem is that America has few well-informed citizens. A democracy is only effective when everybody participates. It's also time-consuming to stay up to date with a pile of news, most of which comes from secondary sources. By giving citizens an unbiased primary source that quickly informs them about their government, our app hopes to solve both problems.
Here's a use case of the app simulated on a desktop. Somebody loading into the app will see a summary of what happened in Congress today. They can check back to previous days to see other information. The app lets them share or send interesting snippets through relevant social networks. The app will notify the user that there wasn't a meeting of Congress that day if there wasn't a record for that day.
Here's the administrative backend of the app. An administrator can log in and keep track of users. If a member of Congress wants to add something to the summary, they can easily do it here.
The app summarizes the daily digest using a summary algorithm that extracts the most important key phrases from text using regex. Text summarization is a big problem in natural language processing, or NLP, and it's been explored widely. We used some experience in the field to choose an algorithm for this task.
To write this app, we used the Meteor JavaScript library, which combines client and server-side interactions. It uses Node.js, MongoDB, Blaze, and React templates. Meteor is certifiably secure, which is good for the needs of Congress. Thanks to Meteor, this app can be run in a web browser as a web app on Android and on iOS devices. This is done through the Cordova library, which allows it to create apps for different platforms using the same source code.
A future version of this app will introduce highly advanced text summarization, such as Google's text rank, so that the app can create even more effective summaries. Additionally, it will implement notifications and a calendar so users know when a new summary is posted, and so users can scroll through months of records at a time. Hopefully, we will be able to interact with somebody in Congress so we can find an even more reliable data source for the Congressional Record. These improvements will help add even more functionality to the app so it is open to more users.
Hopefully, this app is ready to make a positive change in America. If possible, we'd like to receive some support and release this app to everybody. We're excited to see more NLP applications in our world. Thanks for watching.